Northern bog lemmings are small rodents that live in the northeast part of the United States and up into Canada. They are endangered in the state of Maine and pending federal listing, so they are very hard to find, and they look a lot like other lemmings, so it's hard to differentiate them, and they're very rare.
Here, I got some pellets here.
We've collaborated with the Maine Department of Inland Fisheries and Wildlife to put both full-time wildlife technicians on this task and bring UNE students into the project as well. We've worked over the last number of years to develop a technique that allows us to find animals without actually touching them in the field. It's really difficult to trap northern bog lemmings, which is why we currently don't know where they exist. So what we do instead is we'll visit a site in the field that we think may have northern bog lemmings. We'll search it really thoroughly and pick up small mammal fecal pellets that exist on the ground. We'll put those in test tubes and bring them back to the lab. And what the students in my lab are up to is they will do a DNA analysis of those fecal pellets, just like we see in CSI, and type the pellet to species. So that allows us to identify the small mammal that placed that fecal pellet on the ground, and therefore we can detect northern bog lemmings where they occur.
A lot of people think research is like boring and monotonous, but I think it's really interesting just to see how it can affect the world at large.
It surprised me that I'm helping with something so big.
We have so much work to do on this animal to understand its habits and even its habitats. That's what my lab is up to, is answering questions about what is a northern bog lemming.